Let us read the question. The pH of a solution containing a 0.1 mole of acetic acid, 0.2 mole of sodium acetate and 0.05 mole of NaOH in 1 liter will be how much? pK of acetic acid is given. So let us see first कि क्या क्या terms दिया हुआ है. So acetic acid is given CH3COOH which is 0.1 mole. Sodium acetate दिया है CH3COONA which is 0.2 mole. And NaOH भी दिया है, NaOH is given as 0.05. अगर solution में ये चीज़ें हैं तो obviously this acetic acid will be neutralized by NaOH to some extent. कितना neutralize होगा? So we can consider based on the equivalent. So neutralization reaction में CH3COOH plus NaOH it gives CH3COONA plus H2O. This is given as 0.1 mole and this is 0.05. So this is the limiting reagent. ये limiting reagent हो जाएगा, उसके हिसाब से सोडियम एसिटेट बनेगा. So ये कितना बनेगा? According to limiting reagent ये 0.05 मोल बना. इसमें से कितना माइनस हो जाएगा? 0.05. बचा कितना? 0.05. So acetic acid left over will be 0.05 and sodium acetate form will be 0.05 mole. So net result आपके पास क्या होगा? Net result होगा so total acetic acid now will be 0.05 moles in a 1 liter solution and sodium acetate कितना रहा? Sodium acetate हो गया पहले से 0.2 था, इसमें ये additionally 0.05 आ गया. So this comes to be 0.25. These are the concentration of weak acid and the salt of weak acid which is resulting in a buffer. So buffer which is a acidic buffer, तो pH क्या हो जाएगा इसका? pH will be equal to pKa plus log of salt upon acid. So pKa is already given 4.74. So 4.74 plus log of salt कितना है? Salt is a 0.25 and acid कितना है आपके पास? 0.05. So this is nothing but 4.74 plus log 5. So log 5 is approximately 0.7. तो ये हो जाएगा 0.74 plus 0.7 will be equal to 7,714. So 5.44. This will be the pH of the solution, 5.44.